हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे इस YouTube चैनल पे। आप देख रहे हैं सुपर स्टडी सिंह। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस बुक, ये वाली बुक जिसका नाम है न्यू परफेक्ट कंपोजिट मैथमेटिक्स ऑफ 8th क्लास। सो if you want the first chapter explanation, so you may watch my previous video. So हम आगे चलते हैं। फर्स्ट चैप्टर हमारा रेशनल नंबर्स है। सो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रखा है, तो मैं इस वीडियो में एक्सरसाइज कराऊंगा। सो 1.1 एक्सरसाइज, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। So here the first question is saying, if x and y are rational numbers, then x plus y, these are in, so is what would be. These are, we are having situations. So let's write this question on notebook. So first situation is, if x plus y is smaller than x plus y. This is the situation. So we will simply take an example, like here we will, so here we will write 1 and 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is not true. This will not be the answer. So second situation is B. Here it is x plus y is equal to x plus y. So this B1 will be the right and the answer of this question, because here it is equal sign, and if we don't see this sign and we just see this sign, so answer will be right, because 3 is equals to 3. So B will be the answer. So question 2, minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3 is equals to, these are the values given. So we will solve it. First we will write it, question 2. The answer will be B. Question 2, minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. So we will take LCM of 4 and 3. So if you don't know the method, another method, so you can do like we take LCM. So here I am going to take LCM for 3, 4 1 ja 4 and 3 1 ja 3. So these will be the answer only. So 4 into 3 will be the answer. 12 will be the answer. LCM is equal to 12. So LCM is equal to 12. 3 minus 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 3 is equal to 12 and 9. Second, 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 4 is equal to 12, 8. So minus 9 upon 12 minus 8 upon 12. So next page, here I am doing here only. So the answer will be minus, then in bracket, then 1 upon 12. So bracket will be open, answer will be minus 1 upon 12. Let's check if the answer would be there. So the answer is there, so answer will be B. So answer is equal to B. Let's go to next question. So third question is true false. So let us do first. So So first statement is saying that minus 5 upon 3 lies on the right side of 0 on the number line. See, these are in brackets. So we can say this is absolute value. So there would be if there is minus 5.3 are in these types of bracket, so the answer will be 5.3. There is a rule. If negative inside this bracket, there will be positive. Positive inside this bracket, there will be positive. So negative is equal to positive, and 5 means positive will be on the right side of 0 on number line. This is true. Let me give you an example. Like if we have 0 and this is number line, there is 1 and there is minus 1. So and we have in positive, so this is positive and this is right side of 0, so this will be the answer. This will be the true. So this is true. So next question is minus this bracket and this bracket minus x is equal to x for all rational numbers. What is it saying? If we open the bracket, so minus x, because you are saying like here these are in brackets, this type of bracket, so there will be minus 5 upon 3, so there will be answer 5 upon 3. So here let's take just this digit minus x is so this is in this bracket, so the answer will be x, and there is minus also, so minus x, and minus x is equal to x for all rational numbers. So this b1 is false. If we do in this, minus 7 upon 17 lies on the left side on 0, so this is true because minus always on the left of 0 on number line. Every whole number is a rational number. This is also a true. So in this question we have to tell that which of the following is false. So b1 is the false. The answer will be b. And here the question is that represent the following rational numbers on the number line. So here we have two rational numbers, a 5.4 and 1 upon 1 minus 9 upon 5. So here both questions I will do and I will solve. So let's solve the questions. So before doing this question, there is a rule, or anything we can say. If we have 5 upon 4, we have to present on number line, so we don't know how to represent it. So first we have to divide it, any digit, any example. This is the question, so I am doing it. Question 4. So this is 5 upon 4. We will simply write it like this. So 1, 4, this will be 1. So we will take a point. Then 0, 2, 8. Then here 20. Then 5 ja 20. Then here will be 1.25. So there will be 1.25. We will know that it will come in between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. So this 5 upon 4, and this is clear, right? So here 4 means 4 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts done. Then fifth of 4. Like this is 4 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4, 8 upon 4. Like we can also understand it like 4 upon 4 means 4 1 4 1, so answer will be 4. Then this is 5 upon 4. I will represent it. This is 5 upon 4. and this is 8 upon 4 because 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So answer will be this. Next question is let me write. Next question is 9 upon minus 9 upon 5 b minus 9 upon 5. So how we will represent it? We will just divide it. So it will come between minus 1. It will come in between minus 1 and 2. So here minus 1 and minus 2. 1 2 3 4, one more 5. So 9 upon 5. So this will be minus 9 upon 5. So number lines are too easy. So next question is represent minus 5 upon 4 and 5 upon 4 on the same number line. Are those points equidistant from the origin? Is minus 5 upon 4 on the left side of the origin? So this is the easiest question ever. So how to do it, let me explain you. So what we have to do is just to simple write the digit which are minus 5 upon 4 and 5 upon 4. So we will simply write 0 first. These are 5 upon 4 and 5 upon 4, so we have to divide it first. So here also we have divided that digit 5 upon 4. So 1.25 was there, so here was also would also be 1.25. So 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. So 4 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 2 3 4. So here will be 4 upon 4. So here 5 upon 4. Here will be minus 5 upon 4, and here will be, this is 1, this will be 5 upon 4. So these are on equal distance to each other. So is, and the question is minus 5 upon 4 is on the left side of the 0 means origin. So yes, this question done. So guys, see you in next video. Till then, bye. Next video will come soon.